Hello everyone. In this video, I will tell you how to prove sine 5a equals 16 into sin at power 5a minus 20 into sine cube a plus 5 sin a. Let's see how to do it. Taking LHS. Sine 5a. We can write 5a as 3a plus 2a. And we know the formula of sine x plus y. Sine x plus y is sine x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. Using this formula, here x is 3a and y is 2a. So using this, sin 3a into cos 2a plus cos 3a into sin 2a. Now using the formula of sin 3a. Again we know that sin 3 theta equals 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Using this formula, so sin 3a would be 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a and cos 2a. We have 4 cases of cos 2a, but we will use this formula cos 2 theta, which is in terms of sin 1 minus 2 sin square theta, 1 minus 2 sin square a plus again cos 3 theta is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Using this formula over here, 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a, and sin 2a we know that it is 2 sin a cos a, 2 sin a cos a. Now multiplying these, 1 into 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a will be 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a and minus 2 sin square a into this, minus 6 into sin cube a plus 8 into 4 would be minus 6 minus 2 sin square a minus 4 sin cube a, that is plus 8 into sin a to the power 5a plus multiplying 2 sin a cos a into 4 cos cube a, that is 8 cos raised to the power 4a into sin a minus 6 cos square a into sin a. This will remain as it is plus 8 sin a into cos raised to the power 4a means cos square a into cos square a, that is 1 minus sin square a whole square minus 6 cos square a, 6 sin a as it is, and cos square a would be 1 minus sin square a, 1 minus sin square a. This will remain as it is. Now multiplying 8 sin a as it is using the identity of a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square, that is sin raised to the power 4a minus 2 into sin square a. Identity, using identity a plus b whole square minus multiplying it 6 sin a or minus minus plus 6 sin cube a. This will remain as it is. Now multiplying 8 sin a into 1 plus 8 into sin raised to the power 5a minus 16 into sin cube a minus 6 sin a plus 6 sin cube a, and writing this as 3 sin a minus 4 sine cube A minus 6 sine cube A plus 8 into sine raised power 5A. Now collecting the like terms. 3 sine A, 3 sine A and 8 sine A and 6 sine A. That is 8, 3, 9, 9 minus 6 sine A. That is 8 sine A plus 3 sine A, 11 sine A minus 6 sine A, that is 5 sine A. Now cube terms, 4 cos cube minus 4 sine cube A minus 6 sine cube A, that is minus 10 sine cube A and minus 16 minus 26 and plus 6, that is minus 20 sine cube A. Now taking 5, 8 into sine raised power 5A, 8 into sine raised power 5A, that is 16 into sine raised power 5A. So here we can see 5 sine A, that is 5 sine A, minus 20 sine cube A, that is minus 20 sine cube A, and plus 16 into sine raised power 5A. So we can write it in order, in descending order of power of sine, that is 16 into sine raised power 5A minus 20 sine cube A plus 5 sine A equals RHS. This we were supposed to prove. That's all. Thank you so much.